Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Bibble on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video, shall we? I'm just going to stop with the fairy poses for now, but we are going to just use the fur hat here. And we're going to use the code 84BFC4. I'm just going to save that as well, and we're going to use the glitter material, and then we're going to do 0.9, 0.34, Z at 0.42, rotate it at 0, and then at 6, 0.6, and then Z at 0.54, and scale it to 0.11. Then we're going to use this flat beanie in that same color in glitter. For the adjustment, 0.87, Y at 0.16, Z at 0.44, rotate it at 0, Y at 0.79, Z at 0.5, and then scale it to 0.20. We're then going to use these cat ears here, and we're going to color that the same glitter, and then the same here, like on this one glitter. And then for the second toggle, we're going to use this color 734. No, 7. What's wrong with my eyes? 753474 in glitter. I'm just going to also save that color. For the accessory adjustment, 0.88, 0.35, 0.33, rotate it at 0.47, 0.69, 0.37, and scale it to 0.17. Right, looking like Bibble. Whiskers. Sorry, my throat hurts. Color the whiskers the same blue. And then we're going to use this color, DB62DA. I'm just going to also save that color. For the adjustments, 0.86, Y at 0.43, Z at 0.27, rotate it at 0.50 and then 0.51, and then Z at 0.33, and you're going to scale it down to 0.34. Alright, for the eyes, I think, star earmuffs, and then we're going to color it this color, so 305889A, and then for this one, the same as this, and we're going to toggle it to glitter for both. Position it at 0.88, Y at 44, Z at 0.5, rotate it at 1, 0.50, 0.25, and we're going to scale it down to 0. What did I miss? Hold on. 88, 44, 50, 100, 50, 25. I think I'm just going to bring it a little bit more forward. I think I said this one incorrectly. do the star earmuffs at 0.19 instead of 0.5. Then we're going to select this purple hat, and then we're going to color it 7.5. I think it's, is it this one? It's this one here. Glitter. Position it at 0.83. Y at 0.13. Z at 0.34. Rotate it at 0.16. Y at 0.34. Z at 0.25. And you're going to scale it all the way down to a 0. This is just for the kind of like Bibble fur, I guess. Then select this bear hat in that same color in glitter. Position it at 0.85. Y at 0.21. Z at 0.31. Rotate it at 0. X 0.61. Z at 0.40. And scale it all the way to 0. It's just for the little arms and feet, I guess. Okay, 2 more items and we're done after this. Select the headphones and color them white. So X at 0.87. Y at 0.53. Z at 0. Wait, sorry. This one's at 43. Z at 0.19. Rotate it at 1. Y at 0.53. Z 0.3. Scale it all the way to 0.07. Then for the hair, the Bibble hair, we are going to go to this area, go to the masculine section. We're going to use this one. And then we're going to color it, the first color AB4, DAA. And then the second one, I think this color, DB62DA. And then we're going to position it at 0.89. Y at 0.4. Z at 0.38. Rotate it at Y at 0.68. Z at 0.4. And scale it to 0.29. And finally, you have Bibble. If we can only adjust like the wings, that would be so perfect. I don't know. I think he has wings. I don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Let me know in the comment section down below if you really want like an adjustment on this. I can give it to you straight away and you don't have to watch everything, but you know, if you need a more visual tutorial, here it is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.